Hello there friends, and welcome to another video on how to create a WordPress theme from scratch. And in this video we are going to style the footer we created in the previous video. So let's get started. So let's head back to our style sheet, and down here at the bottom, just before our media queries, I'm going to add style for the footer. So let's add a little comment so we know this is the footer. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually just style the footer itself. So I'm going to do a background color. And I think we have some variables up here. So let's do this container color. So let's do a variable. It was the container. And then do padding, 20 pixels, and then letter spacing of 1 pixel, and then the color for the text. Let's do a more white color there. Now let's display everything as a grid, and the gap between each grid element should be 30 pixels. And then the grid template areas, should be, first one is navigation, social, and logo. So it will be in that order. Let's save this. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so it looks the way it looks. So let's take care of all this. Let's style the rest here. All right, so let's have a look at the navigation bar here, because that's what's next here. So footer nav. So let's do footer underscore nav, and a grid area first of all. So we know that should be a navigation, and then the UL should be no style. No styler on the list. Footer underscore nav UL, and the list style. Let's put it as none, and then we need the LIs, and here we need a padding of 10 pixels, and the text align center like this, and then the A tags. Let's go nav ULLI, and yeah, the A tag obviously. So here we need a text decoration of none. Scroll up a little bit, put in the middle, text decoration none. The color should be white, and the letter spacing 1 pixel, and text transform, because I want all these in uppercase, like this, uppercase, and then the font size. Let's do 17 pixels. So let's save that, and let's head back to our front end, and let's have a look there. Right, so it looks a little bit better. Next, let's add a hover. So footer underscore nav ULLI a hover. So text decoration underline refresh and let's have a look there. So it looks all right. Now let's head back here to our style sheet there, and let's do the social media icons or social icons there. So that's footer as the class of footer social. So let's take care of that. So first footer social, and it's a class. So let's do a dot before. All right, so for the social, we has a grid area of social, and then the text. I want everything to be text align to the center on this one. Okay, and that's that for that. Next, we need the h2 tag. Footer underscore social h2, and in here we need a text align. Center, not sure we need that actually. 7 margin, bottom 10 pixels. All right, and then the a tags, footer underscore social a tag. All right, so the font size on these should be 36 pixels, and then the color, so white color, and then the margin needs to be 5 pixels, like so. And then let's head down to our footer. What is the hover? Social and hover. And then let's enlarge all these. So 42 pixels. And then the border bottom should be 1 pixel, solid, and then white color. Yeah, well actually I don't think I need the white color actually. Yeah, I need a border bottom, sorry. Yeah. All right, let's save that and let's refresh. All right, stack on top of each other because we need to make a little space here. Obviously the logo should not be as big as it is. So let's deal with that now. So let's go back here, and if we go back to our footer.php, you can see the class is footer underscore logo. Let's add that. So footer underscore logo, and for our grid area is logo, and then text align. Oops. Text align should be center, and then we need the footer underscore logo and the image, and here we need a width of 200 pixels. So let's see what that does. All right, so now we have it here. Okay, so it's yeah, it's all right looking. It will do for us for this theme and for today. So yeah, that was a short and nice video. So in the next video, we'll continue with the content of the About page. All right, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.